Hi there. Okay, in this step, we'll be looking at organization resources, which is step number 3. So now, same thing, when coming to organization resources, we click on this blue button here. So it's going to take us to the organization resources. So once that page has been opened, we'll be able to see now that we have this information here, where we'll be able to capture now all the facilities related to programs. So we capture all facilities on that institute. So we start by clicking the type. So we have these different fields here: the type, the name, number of facility, capacity of facility, and then now all the items or equipment in that facility. So let's say I select the type here. It's maybe a library or a kitchen, whatever, or maybe it's a lab. So you select the lab here, and then here you name the name of that lab. Maybe it's a computer lab. It's a computer lab. So once you've said that it's a computer lab, so what you do now, the number of, maybe it's computer lab 1, also computer lab was whatever. So now, and then now the number of these facilities. So now when talking about the number of facilities, we are talking about the number of facilities, the number of this computer lab of the same size. That is, let's say we are saying 2. We have 2. So if we are saying 2 now, each lab maybe takes 40 students. That's the capacity of that facility. So now if you are saying we have 2 facilities named computer lab. So what you are really saying is that we have this computer lab of the same size, and in these computer labs, we're gonna find same items. If we have each maybe have 40 computers, 40 desks, 40 chairs, maybe with that whiteboard. So you need to make sure that you have of the same size and the same items in it. So if maybe it's 1, you just enter 1 here with the capacity. And then now, when coming to the relevant equipment items found in this facility, let's say you have your chairs. You have your chairs, let's say it's 40. So you name them one by one here. That's very key. Name them one by one. And item number 2, it's maybe desks. Maybe they are also 40. And then maybe computers. Same thing, maybe they are 40. And then maybe you have your whiteboard. Maybe the board is 1. And if you want to maybe add a comment about these facilities, you can just add that comment. It's fine. So you need to make sure that you add all these facilities, and then once you're done, it's either you can click one of these buttons here. They add another institute facility. That is just to say you want to add another facility. Here you're adding labs. Maybe now you want to add maybe lecture rooms. So you'll be using this button, or maybe the next button to go to the next step. But it's whatever which button you choose here, all of those buttons will be saving the information. So now same thing, once you receive this green message, that means your information has been saved successfully. But if you don't receive that green message, you receive maybe like a red message. That means there is something wrong. You need to check where you went wrong. And then you just come again and capture that information up until you receive that green message. So in this site here, this is where you'll be able to see now all the facilities you've captured. And then we have this view facility button here, where you'll be able to see all the items you've captured, or the red button to delete a facility. So that's how it does. Or maybe if you want to update maybe a facility or edit information about the facility, you just click on the name of that facility, and it's gonna bring up all the information you've captured about that facility, and then you update whatever you want to update. So that's how you capture all the facilities. So you need to make sure that all facilities have been captured in the system before you move on to the next step. So that's how you capture facilities. It's just the facility type, the facility name, the number of facility, and then the capacity of that facilities, and then the relevant equipment items in that facility, and that will be it.